Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this body is design here, and this is a disk. Disk is a design and simple and easily design here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a parts of a globe body, and this body is practice here, and deeply learn here. You go to playlist and search a globe body, and all parts is designed here easily and clearly. And this is a simple project. This is a simple body is designed here, and this is a use a practice purpose, and beginner student is very useful and very helpful. This body is designed, and how to all parts is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, let's start. This body is designed here, and this is a multi-section view is okay, and this is a isometric view. Okay, this body is a isometric view is designed here, and okay, all parts. This body is a simple project, and this is a disk, and this is a parts of a globe body. Okay, and how to this body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed here. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and use a parts and click OK, and this is a and then select this YZ plane and direct select this YZ plane and click YZ plane and use this position sketch is and use okay, this is correct. Okay, at first draw a profile is drawing here, and this is origin point is click here, and okay, this is a perfect and all is a vertical and horizontal mention here, and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a correct okay, and click this body is a okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a correct, and click this. Okay, all is perfect, but this line and this line is green color, means this is a this is a defined, but other is not defined. Then you can see here white color. Okay, and then all one by one all dimension is all constant is defined here. Okay, at first select this line and this line is a okay, at first okay, at first select this line and this line is a this dimension is a 42 is correct, and also this line and this line click here, and then use a this is a 30 is correct. Okay, all is correct, and then use this line and this line is a click here, and this is a 88 millimeter is correct, and all dimension is millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a 88 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect okay, and some use this is a this use a 38 millimeter is correct, 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, and all is looking perfect, and then some use this line and this line is a click this is a 45 millimeter is correct, and again select this line is a right click and use a vertical direction, and this use a 8 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and this is a 45 degree angle, and this is a 8 millimeter, and again select this line, and this line is a okay, delete here, and again select this line, and this line is a okay, this is a 45 millimeter is correct. Okay, this 45 millimeter is correct. Okay, and again select this line and right click and use a vertical is this is a 12. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect, and this body is green color means this is a fully defined. Okay, and all is looking perfect, and all defined is fully defined, and this is a correct and perfect. Okay, 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 all is fully defined, and this is a correct. And some use this axis, and axis is drawing a this is a correct. Okay, and okay, all is better, looking perfect, and this is a correct. And use a this exit, use a shaft command, and at first all is revolution this axis, this about axis, and use a preview is showing here, and this is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and some face, this face is used here, and this is a and position a sketch, and this sweep and reverse vertical is also correct. And some use this circle is drawing here, and this is a correct. And mention any dimension, this dimension is a 45 is correct. Okay, this is a 48 also better, and this is a correct. Exit, and this shaft command is click here, and this is a 40 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this axis is a this coordinate is hide because this board is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a apply some material, then at first click this shading with material, then click this material, apply here, and steel is correct. And this body is a this is a steel is right click and use a property, and this reflectivity is very high, and okay, this is a perfect. And this is a load, this steel material is apply here, and this is a perfect. Okay, and all is looking perfect. And okay, all side is looking better, and all is perfect. Okay, this back side and front side is all is looking perfect, and this is a isometric view is a correct. This is a perfect. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.